Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by accessing Clock app. Following that, select Alarm section at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. Then click on those three dots on the right. Tap on Settings and manage all of them under Alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you finished, go back, and to create your alarm, select this plus icon. Now set up an hour. When you finished, click on Repeat and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. In order to save them, tap on OK at the bottom right corner. Now click on Alarm Sound. Select one of those options by tapping on the best one for you, or click on Add New at the top to pick music from your smartphone. Just click on the song that you wish to set up. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back and pick one of those, like lights. Now, thanks to this switcher, disable or enable vibrations. And also, if you want to, click on Vibrate and select the best pattern for you, like dancing. You can also set up Follow Music Rhythm. This way, your vibrations will be synchronized with any song that you set it up before. Last but not least, click on Label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and click on OK. Finally, to save your alarm, select this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to make some changes, just click on your alarm, change whatever you wish to, and tap on the same check mark. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!